Hey people, current has just gone as I'm recording this. So it's just occurring to me, yeah. I mean, making these 2 minute, 3 minute recordings gets tough when there's no current. And also, how do these film stars manage? Yeah, like they have to wear all kinds of outfit and then, I don't know, do this whole dance in a stuffy studio with so many extras. And and I feel the more the number of people get involved in something, the more everyone's patience gets tested. So I think all these film stars truly deserve all the kind of adulation they get, because it is a difficult thing. Yeah, I mean, see, I'm just one person doing this recording for like 2 minutes, grand total of 2 minutes, and still it's like I'm thinking, oh god, now I'll start sweating. I wonder how I'll speak. And this is impromptu. It's not even like I've learned some dialogues and I have to say it. Hats off, yeah, just hats off to these stars. And in that context, I have to say, Sirish Kundar, the director, Farah Khan's husband, he was so nice to immediately respond when I sent him the link of this is Mrs. Serial Killer, the movie. And then he responded, yeah, saying just thank you, Amrita. But just that acknowledgement, because I sent that link to a whole basically all the stars of the movie, and any review I make, I send the link to the respective Telugu film hero or heroine, or fan club and all. But very few people actually respond. But Sirish Kundar sir responded, so respect. Yeah, I mean, there's like genuinely, it's thank you so much. It's so really, people, you all should check it out. It's called Mrs. Serial Killer and it's on Netflix, and it's a very different film. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.